Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a Webflow Freelance tutorial showing you how to use Webflow as a freelancer and, more importantly, how to get set up the right way to deliver high-quality websites for your clients. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the key features in Webflow and how to navigate the platform confidently, so you can start building or improving freelance projects without any guesswork. Let's dive in together. Right now, you're probably looking at the Webflow dashboard. This is your command center, and I want you to get comfortable here. At the top, you'll notice sections like Dashboard, Marketplace, Learn, and Resources, all within easy reach. Over in the right corner, you'll spot icons for notifications, your profile, and account settings. These might seem basic, but knowing your way around here will save you tons of time later on. For example, if a client emails you saying they can't see an update, checking your notifications area might help catch any issues quickly. And your account settings, that's where you'll update those critical details like passwords, billing info, or notification preferences. Just below, you'll see your workspace. This area displays every site you've built or are currently working on. This list grows as you get more clients, so think of it as your digital portfolio in progress. Now, if you're starting a new project, look to the New Site button. Click on it and Webflow offers three choices. You can start with a completely blank site if you want full creative control, use one of their pre-made templates to jumpstart the design process, or even experiment with the AI site builder if you're short on time or just want some inspiration. If you're unsure, don't be afraid to explore templates. It's like having a head start, especially on those busy freelance days. And remember, no matter which option you choose, you can deeply customize every aspect later. Once you've explored those options, let's return to your dashboard and dig a little deeper. Head into the site settings. This is where the real power of Webflow opens up for freelancers. Think of site settings as the engine room of your website. Here you can fine-tune nearly everything, from general information about your site to detailed access permissions, publishing controls, bandwidth usage, SEO settings, and more. Need to connect forms for client leads or add that perfect font your client loves? It's all in here. Webflow even lets you set up regular backups, integrate with helpful apps, or insert custom code if you want your site to do something truly unique. One thing that's especially crucial for freelancers: pay close attention to the site plans. This is where you choose a plan that unlocks the features your client needs. Without the right plan, certain things might be restricted, for example, hosting custom domains or collecting form submissions. I always make sure to discuss this with my clients early on so there are no surprises when we're ready to launch. Treat this as a friendly heads up. Don't let a basic plan limit your project's potential. Take a few extra minutes here and pick the plan that gives you and your client creative freedom and the room to grow. And that's a quick walkthrough of how to get started as a freelancer on Webflow. The more you use the platform, the more comfortable and creative you'll get, so don't be shy about exploring different features and settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions about Webflow or freelance site building? Drop them below in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical web design tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.